So here is an update on Aurora Cannabis as well as Canopy growth, so CGC and ACB. We did make a video yesterday on both of these stocks and we made our predictions as well. So far, both of them doing excellent as well. So ACB here, we said watch out for that break above 609. Look for a test towards 686, right? So ACB, let's go ahead and zoom in here. We got a high of 665 so far today, and then currently with a tiny bit of a pullback at 632. But hey, overall on today we are up 94 cents. That's up 17.5% right now. Again, I'm just going to reiterate some things. So again, going back into the hourly chart, we have that bullish crossover. Two hourly chart also has a bullish crossover. We zoom into the 4 hourly chart. This is about to signal a bullish crossover. Now, what happens during a bullish crossover when the 50 EMA crosses above the 200 EMA? That's where you can see a lot of volatility and upside movement and buying stepping in. Okay, so daily chart here. Daily chart here looks pretty good in my opinion. We did break above the 200 EMA. You should start to see the 50 EMA cross above the 100 EMA, and then at some point, if the momentum and volume continues, watch for the 50 EMA crossing above the 200 EMA on the daily chart. That should signal a bigger move towards the top side. I'm not saying 935 is going to get tested for sure, but that is my prediction. I do have a personal speculation that if this move continues up and breaks above the 686 resistance line, the next level is going to be 781, followed by that high of 935 being tested for ACB. Okay, let's go ahead and go on to CGC. So this is Canopy growth, current price at 268. We're up 6% today, up about 15 cents from yesterday's video. Let's go ahead and zoom in as well. So hourly chart, we have that bullish crossover, like we mentioned earlier, 50 EMA crossing above the 200 EMA. 2 hourly chart looks like we are starting to cross above the 100 EMA with the 50 EMA, and then into the daily chart, we are testing the 50 EMA. So what am I predicting? Similar to our previous video, I am looking for that 100 EMA and 200 EMA on the daily chart to be tested. Those current prices are 362 as well as 487. So really right around 480 to 490 is what I'm looking for CGC. That's just my personal price target and personal prediction. Not telling anyone to buy, sell, or hold. Just a personal speculation of mine for CGC. Okay, so that's my price targets for both ACB and CGC. In terms of support, right, if we go into the hourly chart, if for some reason there's a big pullback in CGC, I would keep an eye out for 237, right around 240 being a potential support level for CGC. We can go back onto ACB and kind of look as well. So if there's a big pullback for ACB, we have 609 as a support first, and then 533 followed by the 50 EMA at 475. So there you have supports on both levels for CGC and ACB. We have the price targets that we already mentioned, and then mainly for CGC, keep an eye out for that resistance at 485, possibly 490. That would be something I am going to keep an update for our videos moving forward. If we do make more videos on CGC, ACB, if you guys are in either of these stocks, let me know down in the comments so I know if I should be making more videos on CGC and ACB. I'm not in either of these stocks, so all my technical analysis and speculation is all based off of just what I see on the chart. It's not biased or anything. I'm not trying to like push the stock up or anything. Just sharing my technical analysis as what I see on both these charts. If you are in these stocks as well, feel free to join our Discord. We do have some discussions, and that's actually where it got brought up to my attention for CGC and ACB. A lot of due diligence and discussions going on the Discord. It's free to join. There's over 32,000 members. Link is down below in the description. Feel free to make yourselves at home there if you want to check it out, okay? If not, no worries. Like the video if you want to support the channel, and subscribe if you want notifications for the next videos for ACB and CGC. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you on the next one, all right?